Buddy Murphy's a real force to be reckoned with.
He's no longer adhering to the cruiserweight weight restrictions, but still is giving up some size here tonight to the big dog.
Well, here's the issue. If you're Buddy Murphy, you're already dealing with Roman Reigns, which is tough enough. Now you're also dealing with an emotionally charged Roman Reigns in this match.
Ooh. Oh, what a right!
You can't discount the fact that a few moments ago, Daniel Bryan and Rowan called Buddy Murphy flat out a liar.
Boom! And a knee strike put Reigns on his back. Here's the cover to put away Roman and a kick out. Murphy nearly did it right there.
Roman can't let his emotions get the best of him. Buddy Murphy is a cagey competitor and will take advantage of any opportunity. Look at him go.
This is a great strategy by Murphy here early on here in this matchup, and Roman Reigns, how's he feeling?
Watch the precision and boom! And the impact. The knee of Buddy Murphy nearly taking the big dog's head off.
Wisely, Buddy Murphy, being the aggressor, understands you cannot give Roman Reigns an inch to respond here.
Roman said hip first into the barricade. That